Crocuses are out, looking absolutely beautiful, but sadly rabbits have been eating them. But what that tells me is that it's time to start planting all of my cold tolerant seeds. The first thing I need to do is top up some of the soil inside the garden bed. Okay, you can kind of see what I did there. Pretty much wherever there's wet soil, so that kind of mound there, and then I did a little mound there of fresh soil. The soil that I used was just some random things I had in my garage. I had to soak them quite a bit to get them rehydrated because they were sitting for almost a year, ever since really last spring. It is so hot today. Apparently we broke a record. It hasn't been this hot in April since like World War II. Crazy, but I love it, and it's a great day to plant my cold season seeds. First seeds we're going to be planting are Icelandic poppies. Absolutely love these. I had them last year. I'm going to be planting a little bit of a row of them going right here, just on this section. This is my hosta bed, and I'm going to be doing some purple alyssum just around the edges, just to soften it up a little bit, but I have 3 hostas that pop up here, and they're beautiful. I'm going to be planting kind of like a mix of 2 different types of calendula, the strawberry blonde and then neon. Grown them both and love them. A patch right in front of the bricks right there, and then another patch right where the sumacs are popping up. I think I'm also going to do a little patch right beside the tree right there, just to give a pop of color and to bring the same color palette down further. It is so beautiful out, but I am not used to the heat after winter. I don't have a spot for these, but they're bachelor buttons. I have like a kind of a pinky variety, and then blue boys. I'm gonna just sprinkle these in wherever I notice there's space. They're really quick to grow up, and they produce little pretty blue flowers. I'm gonna block myself from the sun so I can actually have a bit of an open eye. So happy I got this done. Even though today's like 20 something degrees. What is it today?
26, I think.
26. Insane temperatures for this time of year. But I got all my cool season seeds in on a day like today. This is pretty much it for a few weeks for the front yard. Of course, I'll show you all the tulips as they pop up. But we're gonna move into the backyard this upcoming week. I'm going to be doing some cleanup and planting some cool tolerant vegetables. So look forward for that. That's going to be a lot of fun. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time, stay gardening.